And as a flipper, when you do get those big chunks, you have to save up for the months you're not going to get paid. You always have to come up with some kind of money out of pocket to fix the property even. So you need to have some reserves. And a lot of the times, if you went longer, or maybe that flip you didn't make as much money, sometimes when you finally do get paid, you've already spent that money. So make sure flipping is great, but make sure you have other baskets. And I'm going to show you different baskets. I'll call them baskets. Different forms of income that is going to be bringing you money in. So then that way you don't lose. Yes, you can get the big chunks, but you are also getting money all the time coming in. So that's the ideal goal, because it's always about security. Security, security, security.